going to see about Oracle Financials Release 12. Okay, so you know that Oracle is an leading ERP where Oracle Financials is leading software in the world. Okay, yes. So we are going to see the basic fundamentals of the Oracle Financials Release 12. So Release 12 is currently in market, and now the cloud part is introduced. It is also called R13. Okay, so the basics are all same overall, only the instance is different. This is a database is saved, that is in cloud. Okay, the financials are divided into 5 modules: general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and fixed assets, and cash management. Now we are going to see about general ledger module. Let's start. Okay, so what is Oracle general ledger? Basically, I'll tell you about this. Okay, right. Yes, so you can see general ledger overview. GL, the basic accounting GL, is the central part of repository of the accounting information. So in any ERP, if you run trial balance, a balance sheet, or profit and loss account, everything come from the general ledger module. If you go for SAP or Oracle or whatever ERP, finance is there. A general ledger is a key module, not only financial modules, HRMS, SCM, and all other modules which flow into GL. Okay, so I told GL is the central repository. It records the financial activity of a business. What are the financial activity end to end? It will record. Produce financial and management reports. The management throughout the world, you have the business setup and you have the head offices, New York, US, and everything you want to deliver at the end of the financial or monthly to the management. So management reports, it's not easy in a normal world. In ERP, it is running in various currency and various laws, and everything it will equip and show in the clear management as a consolidated report, or its realization, whatever the process and everything covered and shows clearly. Financial reports for the filing of income tax, companies act, and various acts in various countries. Decision making helpful for budgets. Yeah, next year budgets, whatever you need. So business will easily make a budget. It can be downloaded in Excel and reports and compared, etc. You can compare actual and budget information before accounting. Record and review accounting information. We are recording and reviewing. Import data from subledger. What is subledger? Other than general ledger, payable, receivable, HRMS module, other module, whatever in Oracle, everything called subledger. Only general ledger is called the main ledger. Every accounting has to flow to general ledger. Review account balance. At the end of the month or end of the year, you will review the account balance. Inquiry option is there, where the external party like auditors, we can give the access without printing paper, without any wastage. They can only review in the system and without making entries. It is called inquiry access. And we can give whatever reports they need. We can develop our own customized report. Even with functional finance team, we can report our own report. We'll prepare balance sheet and P&L like that. Okay. Analyze, correct, and adjust all accounting entry. Yeah, accounting entry can be analyzed, it can be corrected and also adjusted. When? Before accounting. Even though post accounting you have to do, you have to reverse the journal and then you have to make a accounting. Now we'll see how everything will be in the system. I am giving my username and password in a test instance. So once I log in into the Oracle main page, okay, you can see a Java page is opening. Okay, Then I also can click from here, whatever. This left side is called responsibilities. So responsibilities is called asset module, general ledger module, whatever we call it is called responsibility. So now I logged into asset module, a company called Vision Operation, a default company. Okay, these are the screens I opened. Now I want to switch over to general ledger module. See, this is the switch responsibility button. I am switching it. Just click G, general ledger vision operation, because I am working on a company called Vision Operation. So this is my operating unit. Okay, yes. So like I said, journals, budget, inquiry access, currency console, whatever menu is there, these are all called menus, and it is a shortcut. I can keep in the right up to 10, whatever I am using, entering journal, post journal, like that. Okay, right. This is called menu and function. Here only we'll enter the journal or review. Everything can be done here. I can give everything. We'll see one by one in the coming sessions. So I want to run a report without disturbing the Oracle system. Just I'll go to the view request, submit a new request. Okay, single request, it's not a select. Just I want a trial balance. See, there are the many options for running a trial balance, average, budget, detail, expand, translation. So each and everything, it is inbuilt in Oracle system. If you want additional according to your client requirement, based on that you have to write a document and give to the technical team. So the technical team will provide you the customized report. As a functional consultant, only we know finance basics. You can be a BCom, MCom, or MBA finance, or a chartered accountant. For you, we call functional consultants, financials. See here, it is all the setups in the GL has been made. Okay. Reports I told. See, this reports, financial report, we can make as a functional consultant ourselves without knowing anything in technical. This is called the Fsg report, finance statement reports. This also we'll going to see in the future classes. This is very easy for us to prepare. See, any ERP, Oracle, any ERP, only trial balance will be default the report. For creating a balance sheet or profit loss, you have to only create by ourselves. So that's why this report will be helpful. Basically, I'll explain Oracle Release 12. Okay. Oracle Financial Release 12, our system. Old version is 11i, still used in the market, even though Oracle not supporting. The accounting logic and everything same. Maybe the reports web form is added. See, a basic sales journal. From that, I'll arrive how the Oracle picks. Okay. A sales journal is happening in US. We'll write date first, a cash to sales, a journal, and what we will write as a narration in the very basic plus one, or the basic study we went to for accounting, being sales in done USA, Washington, or something in the sales, and we'll give the currency head and the thing. So this how Oracle captures. This is happening in US. Assume that it is happening in India. You will have a currency change, correct? Okay. Like that, we'll see step by step. See here, it is covered in calendar. And this, all the particulars, this is very important to frame. We call chart of accounts. Here, currency, it is inbuilt in the system. And fourth step, we are using accrual method of system in India, accrual accounting, and in US they may use cash method. So this may change. So this is called 4C, we call. In R12, we call 4C. So this is only 4C. Okay. So US they are using Jan to March calendar, we are using April to March. US, the USD currency, we are using INR. So if one C changes, we have to create a new chart of account. So that's why in the release 12, one ledger is called primary, and you can create multiple ledgers. The more and more ledger you create, more and more complicated. So the business scenario as a consultant, we have to collect the data correctly. Then we have to do various testing. Second ledger 1, 2 it will come. So maximum we can go, it is system will allow up to 28 online or so, but maximum 3 or 4 you can finish it. Okay, right. Like currency calendar is easily defined. Accounting convention default in the system. Only chart of account. For example, I taken the example of Tata Groups. They are having this much business. Example, departments, many account types, product. Okay. Business. They are into software, hardware, manufacturing, education, and many. I assume currently they are having only 4 type of business, and maximum I given them 19 business. In the future it can be added. So I taken the count of value set is the count of the numbers 2, and departments I given the count 3, and account we are having expense, revenue, asset, liability, retail, 5 type of account inbuilt in the system you have to create. For our convenience we are creating like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 series and 5 series. This is 4 digit. So this numbers is called value set. We'll create, we'll see where and what are the values we are inputting. It is inside this. Okay, right. How the combination works for a sales. Here I shown. I want to sell for software. So software is 01. See here 01 dot not 1 sales department 2001 revenue. Okay, whatever revenue you have to put it here, and 1000 is default. I don't want a product for software, just is a consultant. It will be default value 0 or something I can give. So this is how accounting entry reflects in the Oracle system, where whatever we give here comes as a description. So what are all the heading to the business? Minimum 2 is mandatory, business and account. Maximum 30. Here also more and more completed. Normally you can see 7 to 10 segments. So as a functional consultant, only the technical term is this only. After that, all accounting. Segment will create according to how many segment we need for the business, and value set and values. Okay. Segment, these combination also called flex field segments. Flex field. So always we coordinate with our technical team and do our normal consulting work. Okay.